Welcome back to Sephard and Cypher's channel. We got a new episode today. Right here in my hand we have the Hammond Collection PACHYCEPHALOSAURus. Its mouth can be moved. Really tiny. Nice stretchy tail. And this is the Legacy Collection Dominion PACHYCEPHALOSAURus. Here's the DNA scan. There you have it. Can't be found anymore. Can't find this in stores. This one. So you pull it down, it just does that with snap. And we have the new Chaos Theory PACHYCEPHALOSAURus. It doesn't say Chaos Theory, but I'm sure it is because of the two Atrociraptors right here. There it is, rare one. Find it at Ross. So it is a basic PACHYCEPHALOSAURus. I'm not really interested with the Majungasaurus, Velociraptor Blue, or the Herrerasaurus. This is all I wanted. Perfect. So we'll open it up. We're gonna unbox it. Alright guys, while I'm opening this, I'd like to say thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video to help out. Oh, there you go. So there you have it. It is a bigger PACHYCEPHALOSAURus. We'll go to our Pachy collection. Nice, real nice, loving it. Alright, fix the tail. Well, it is windy and rainy here right now. Nice color. There we have it. Okay guys, let's check it out. Let's put this thing inside. Wait a second. Why is it? Okay, so there you go. It is like, of course it's a basic, it's thin. They didn't paint the dome anymore. The claws are not painted. It's just the tail that moves. At least it's... it doesn't stand. There you go. It does stand. Alright, let's compare it to our other PACHYCEPHALOSAURus right here. I wish I grabbed the Ruthless Aggression PACHYCEPHALOSAURus, the custom hybrid. So, there you go. A bigger PACHYCEPHALOSAURus, guys. And there you go. Let me see if we have the Epic Attack PACHYCEPHALOSAURus right here. Yep. This is the second one. It's the same color. Yep. So there you have it. Another PACHYCEPHALOSAURus for our collection, guys. Alright guys, enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs up again. But hey, thank you so much. Have a great week. Alright guys, thanks again. We'll see you around. Okay guys, next video we're going back to a Dominion. And also tomorrow is the first trailer of Jurassic World Rebirth. Okay guys, that's gonna be tomorrow, so it's exciting. I think we're gonna have 3 Spinosaurus in that movie. 3 Spinosaurus, guys. Alright guys, have a good one. See you around.